What is up, everyone? Thanks for clicking on this video. Don't go away. Don't click off of it. We're gonna get to the shoes right now. See, no other shtick, nothing. I mean, you could subscribe if you wanted to. That would be nice. You know, I'd be very appreciative. It takes 2 seconds, less than 2 seconds. I'm just saying 2 seconds. It really takes no seconds. You just slide it over. It's a free subscription, and I unbox Lowheat like this primarily. And today we got a nostalgic pair of Lowheat. You're going to want to stick around because I may have unearthed an old photo of me in these. That's why I copped these. I've been trying to hold back, resist all the Lowheat drops recently. I want a lot of different shoes, just like I'm sure a lot of you guys, gals, everyone in between would like. But, we're running out of space here, running out of money, so I can't just get everything. For these, I had to make an exception because this pair I had back in the day. And since they brought it back, I was, how can you not? A lot of people, I feel like, they cop the stuff that they wore back in the day when it gets re-released, retroed, or things that they missed out on, things they couldn't afford. Yeah, that's a common theme amongst adult sneakerheads, and so this is no different from me. What are these? You already know what it is from the title and the thumbnail, but these are the Air Kukini SE Special Edition in Coast. Black Signal Blue and White, aka the water ones, the water moccasins, the water shoes. These retailed for $125. I got them off Undefeated. You can get them right now. I haven't seen them advertised a ton. I've seen that they've brought back the Kukini, Nike has, that silhouette, and I've seen various colorways advertised on retailers. Some cool ones, some all black ones, anthracite ones, some that's kind of like a tonal shift from blue to green. Those are dope. But these throwback water ones in OG colorway, I've only seen Undefeated. Immediately copped them, was able to. This isn't a hype drop. And then right before the video, I researched a little bit and saw that they're on sneakers and stuff available. But not a ton of retailers have these yet. And these were supposed to, I think, drop in August. I'm not sure, but it's just interesting to me. If you want a pair, they're available, just not everywhere yet. So yeah, there you go. I got a couple things to say about these. I'll show you maybe an old photo, so stick around. We're going to get to the shoes right now. If you've stuck around this long, thank you. All right, here we go. This is cool. I don't get to do this every day where I cop a pair of shoes that I had in the past. Like, for me, I was a one pair per semester type blue collar family. Not like so poor we couldn't afford any shoes. I'm not going to make that statement, but I didn't get new shoes every couple months or anything that I pointed out I didn't get. So I'll get to more of that in a second here, but let's see them, and then we'll talk more. Huh, man, this brings memories back. Wow, it's been a while since I've held these. These came out in 2000. And man, like I said, I was like, you get one new pair of shoes for the beginning of the year, and then I think a lot of the time I was able to get another pair second half of the year. I would have to get like cleats for soccer occasionally, or another sport, so not expensive for other sports. Like tennis shoes, I got basement deal tennis shoes and baseball cleats. So my parents were buying me like 2 pairs of school shoes a year, and then a pair of soccer cleats, which could be nicer. Maybe I had to add some of my own money on top for the nice cleats, but I was only getting 2 pairs. So one year, I think year 2000, I think I was what would that have been for me? High school, yeah, high school. I got these, and I mean, how is your eye not drawn to these? My eye was immediately drawn to these. I think I don't know where I saw these. Soccer store. Probably saw these in an East Bay magazine or a soccer catalog first, some sort, and then like wanted them, saw them in person. I don't know if I ordered these. I think I got these in person. Anyways, this was my shoe, my flat I would wear, to school and then 2 soccer practices. The one downside is like this is a pretty flashy shoe. I mean, look at my channel name, Fancy Pants. And so once there was a little bit of buyer's remorse once I had these and was wearing these for like the 7th day in a row. You can't, if the top changes, the pants change. These don't really change. These water slip-ons don't necessarily go with everything. So that was kind of a learning lesson right there in life. As I wanted the more flashy, standout shoes and items, I learned that they don't necessarily pair with everything. So yeah, these this is a TPU cage. They haven't had these in a while. Like, I mean, if you're following sneakers at all for the last few years, you know that this isn't a common silhouette. They brought this back, and I think they're going to see how well it does, and then they'll probably put it to bed for a while unless these like sell really well. So here's the outsole. I'll go over quick the details, and then we'll try them on, see how I like them. Again, there's some cool colorways that they released. I was very tempted to cop the all black ones. Very tempted to cop. There's a blue to green, green to blue fade, which is very common now. That I feel like, you know, Lorenz OG on Instagram made popular, and other customizers made popular. So that was cool. But I've passed. I knew I wanted this one, and I didn't need multiple pairs, so I held out for this one and got this one. So that's the outsole right there. Not like a ton of traction. The midsole, these are not called Air Maxes, just Air Kukunis. You can see the visible air unit. See the quality control is not amazing. There's glue marks there. There's glue marks on the other one right there on this little suede toe cap there. Yeah, there was some glue, see, on the air bubble there. $125 shoe. I don't get too bent out of shape about that stuff. You got the Nike swoosh on the tongue there, the sewn-in tongue, stitched together tongue. Webbing here on the side. It's definitely a sock shoe, kind of like the Presto. I think I unboxed the What the Prestos and mistakenly said I got those because I got these. I think I called these Prestos at the time. These are not Prestos, technically. Very similar, though, of course. That's the only swoosh on these. You see the insole, wild insole, definitely like kind of Y2K vibes with that insole there. Heel pull tab, tongue pull tab there in suede. Yeah, just like, it's just crazy. I remember looking these up on eBay a few years back, and like, you know, this would be yellowed, it popped, so like, you know, when you're going back and trying to get some of the, you know, recoup some of your nostalgia, your childhood. I was looking at these and just like, I was kind of bummed. I was like, you can't get a pair. These don't hold up over the years like certain Jordan 1s or Dunks or anything like that. These just don't hold up. So I was like, well, I guess I'll just never have these. Or I can buy a beat pair that I can't really wear. So really happy that they retroed these. All right. The moment you might not have been waiting for, but I'm going to give it to you anyway. You're welcome. Here you go. Look at this. Let's get that in focus. Look at that. Who is that doofus? What a dork. That's my friend Rob. Shout out my friend Rob. Smart guy. I don't know what he's wearing, but I clearly just come from soccer practice, and you see this soccer practice. These were the shoes after soccer practice. I'm gonna get past my face there. It's just braces, mouthful of braces. But we got I think these were the Nike Tiempo shorts. Very common back then. I'm trying to find a pair of these. I saw a pair at Goodwill, and some dude swiped them right in front of me. They are on eBay occasionally, but I'm wary of old. Oh shoot, here we go. But yeah, there's the proof. Around 2000, rocking the OG Air Kukunis with Adidas. Well, these probably weren't Adidas. These were probably just like knockoff Adidas socks. But yeah, so there you go. That's why I wanted these. Let's put them on. I should call my friend Rob. We should recreate that photo now that I have these. Get some Tiempo shorts. So I wore the Stussy tie-dye socks. Thought these would go well with these, maybe a bit too much. They definitely go well with these Tom Sachs General Purpose shoe. Check out my unboxing of these. These are great. I've been wearing them a bunch. Maybe I'll do a wear review. There's a lot of wear reviews out there of these. If you want the official Fancy Pants review, yes, I referred myself in the third person there. It was kind of weird. Let me know in the comments and I'll review these. It's just, you know, there's so many review videos out there. I feel like, I don't know. Do I need to put my own out there? Is anyone going to watch it? I don't know. Okay, let's put these on. See if it was worth it. They came out to like $149 with tax and shipping and everything. So not, you know, cheaper than a lot of shoes, but not, you know, cheap. I went size 12. I'm size 11 and a half. True to size, and so I went half size up. I always go half size up when in doubt. Like if I don't know, it's just, you know, makes good sense. And I'm glad I did. I'm definitely glad I did. I would go half size up on these. It's not toe room. There's more toe. I have room in the toe. It's not about that. It's just this grip's a little tight. Like, you want it to be tight, of course, but like I could see 11 and a half being even tighter. So this is you want these to be comfortable. That's the point of these, is to be comfortable. So I'm very glad I went half size up. It's snug, but not too snug. And I could see it being even more snug if I had gone true to size. So that's my advice on the sizing. Go half size up. I don't think, if you don't mind a really snug fit, you'll be fine true to size though. Because I have plenty of toe room, and these obviously stretch a little bit with this polyester or whatever this material is, nylon material. I don't even know what this material is. I apologize. I should know what the material this is. It's, it's that Presto stretchy. I don't know the technical term. You're just gonna make fun of me in the comments. But yeah, like these. I mean, great summer shoe, great California shoe, beach shoe, pool shoe, a little athletic fit shoe you can put on your joggers, your Nike shorts. Go to your adult soccer practice, or kids, if anyone younger is watching this, your actual practice in these. These are. I'm very happy with the purchase. I don't know how much I'm going to wear these, to be honest, but definitely going to Starbucks to get my sweet cream cold brew in these. We'll be wearing these around. I don't think these are really a technical athletic shoe or training shoe for sure, but things can be done in these. Yes, you heard that's the type of stuff you get from this channel, this review channel. Things can be done in these. I still like them. Maybe it's nostalgia, but these are wild. Great, movie shoe. I don't know if I'd wear these on the plane. I would say that. Usually you want to wear right, comfortable shoes to the airport, airplane ride, traveling. These I would maybe not. Your feet swell up in the plane and this is gripping you. Some people take their shoes off, but they could be judged a bit. I judge people. Sometimes I do it low-key, secretly, incognito. I'll take off my shoes, but you don't want to have to. So I actually don't recommend these for traveling, flying. I like to wear a shoe where there's a lot of room in the enclosure for, my foot to breathe. So anyways, let's give these a rating. Definitely above 7. 7's my threshold of like good shoe. This is definitely above a 7. I think these are wild enough. These get an 8 from me. I don't think these are a 9. Like the pattern. I think I'm going to give these a solid 8. Yes. I'm going to give these an 8. 8 out of 10. Please subscribe. Follow me. More Lowheat coming. Got more pairs in the mail, even though I shouldn't. Let me know what you think about these. If you like this model in general. If you like this colorway. Are you copying any? I know they're sitting on shelves. So I don't know if Nike's going to bring these back anytime soon. Once these pairs sell out, I don't think these are like selling like hotcakes. I think it could be it for a while for the Kukini, Air Kukini. So if you want them, wait maybe until they're on sale. Cop the pairs you like or the one you like, whatever. But, once they're gone, I bet these are going to be gone for a minute. So that's just my prediction. Anyways, thanks for watching.